The Ford F-Series is the best-selling truck in America, has been for several decades, but who wants to drive an average run-of-the-mill truck? It's just not any fun. The aftermarket available for this thing is amazing to turn your truck into something that's going to stand out, turn heads, and be anything but average. So, starting with this all-stock 2019 F-150, we're going to show you how to make a truck you're going to want to show off. The truck's here, the Summit website's open, let's get started. Whether it's the first in a series of upgrades or a one and only accessory you add, a tonneau cover can transform the look of your truck and provide protection and security for your cargo. And that's where it begins with our 2019 F-150. We chose the BakFlip MX4 cover because of its folding design, which offers easy access to much of the truck bed as you need. Plus it offers the ability to haul taller items when needed by simply folding the back portion of the cover. Throw in its sleek design and aircraft-grade aluminum construction, and the BakFlip MX4 was the perfect way to begin our F-150 makeover. With the tonneau cover in place, we were all warmed up and ready to move on to something a little bit more ambitious, Shox. In our case, we went with Fox Racing Shox 2.0 Performance Series IFP shocks. These shocks offer the right combination of performance, handling, and aggressive stance for our F-150. With aluminum bodies that dissipate heat and application-specific valving, these fully assembled shocks provide 2 inches of additional lift, and also left us extra room to showcase a nicer wheel and tire package. We went with a combination of ProComp Syndrome 44 20-inch wheels and BFGoodrich's all-terrain TA KO2 tires. The satin black 12-spoke wheels deliver the style, while the all-terrain TAs give us the grip and rugged durability no matter what the weather or terrain. With a little lift and some new wheels and tires, a set of quality step bars was next on the list. We stepped up our game with Westin's HDX step bars. The bars feature a one-piece steel design, notch steps, and rugged punch plates. Those are all the ingredients needed to deliver the style and functionality we wanted with our Project F-150. While the steps are a great addition, few things deliver the visual impact of a set of aftermarket bumpers, especially when you choose bumpers like ADD Off-Road Stealth Fighter front and rear bumpers. They deliver aggressive styling, along with a radius plate design to hug the contours of our F-150. Plus, they're steel plated to provide maximum protection and can accommodate auxiliary lighting. Another must-have for a late model truck makeover? How about a trailer hitch, as in a Gen Y Mega Duty hitch? It's a perfect choice for wherever the road or off-road takes us. It has a 10,000 pound towing capacity, but what really makes it nice is its adjustability. We can use the top position for a cargo rack or a spare tire, or the lower position for towing duties. As for lighting, our F-150's factory lights, while relatively stylish, fell short of the light output we wanted. So we swapped out the lights with Anzo's headlight and taillight assemblies. The headlights feature a sleek dual projector lens design and a distinctive C-style clip with amber and white functions. The taillights combine a smoked lens with red inserts within a black housing to create a more modern look. And yes, our lights are DOT compliant for street use. With the F-150 looking great, we wanted to keep it that way. That's why we went with WeatherTech's Digital Fit floor liners to protect our investment during all 4 seasons. Digital Fit liners are designed with digital laser measurements to ensure the absolute perfect fit. They're made from rubberized thermoplastic and include special channels to carry fluid and debris to a lower reservoir. While the floor liners were a nice addition, we wanted to end our F-150 makeover with a bang. Or maybe more like a roar. Because the stock exhaust isn't much fun, we added a Borla Attack exhaust system to give our truck a more aggressive sound. So out of all the aftermarket exhaust systems available, why a Borla Attack system? It uses 304 stainless steel throughout for superior corrosion resistance and durability, and features mandrel bends and a perforated tube muffler with a straight-through multi-core design. That means added power, and yes, big-time sound. Style, functionality, and even a little performance. With some bolt-ons and some basic hand tools, we brought all of that and more to our F-150. Better yet, we made this truck our truck, something that stands apart from the ordinary. So what are you waiting for? Get started at summitracing.com. Thanks for watching.